Hello, it is JP from Proyon. Here we are mid-April 2023, and we are about to hit the prime spring cleaning season. So I wanted to make sure both for our professionals out there and our cherished household users that I kind of top line some of our important information about how to best clean your home. As we get rid of the winter grit and get ready for barefooting season. So first and foremost, let me remind you that according to Hoover's statistics, that is Hoover the vacuum company, over its many, many years of experience in cleaning carpets, that 75% of the dirt in the carpet is particulate matter. That means like the sand and grit, and it will in fact vacuum out. This is the same grit that if it's left in your carpet does scratch up those nylon and polyester fibers and changes the color profile, makes that color look duller and worn. So we want to make sure to, not just in the spring, but always clean our carpets and vacuum them once or twice a week. It's going to really work to preserve those carpet fibers. Also, a very high percentage of the dirt and soil in households is within 15 feet of the front door. So another good plug for taking off your shoes. I know I have a split household. I take off my shoes, and somebody who won't go mentioned, who's been part of my life for over 30 years, just will not do it. But if you will take your shoes off at the door, you'll keep your carpets a lot cleaner. But let's just assume that the better half of lives is walking into the house with their shoes and tracking in that particulate matter. It's that first 15 feet of carpet, maybe you've got area rugs, that's going to hold most of that soil. So how do we vacuum? Here's the quick reminder. The cleaning stroke with your vacuum is the pull back stroke. So you can position that vacuum as quickly as you want with the forward movement, but you want to really take your time pulling it back slowly while that vacuum cleaner is doing its work of sucking and cleaning out that particulate matter. So again, quick position with the forward stroke, but pull back slowly, whether you're a professional or you're just a householder like most of us. Once that's done, then I would suggest that you take our carpet upholstery cleaner, our soap-free extreme pre-spray, or the spot and stain remover, and you can put down a nice fine mist on the carpet, or a little heavier if it's a heavily soiled area. And then you're going to want to agitate that area. You can use a broom. You can use a carpet brush. If you're a professional, I highly recommend that you add the counter rotating brush machine to your toolkit if you don't have one. It's a wonderful machine that just has two brushes, sometimes as small as 15 inches wide. They come much wider for bigger spaces. But these brushes counter rotate and the machine practically floats. It's so effortless to use, but this so effectively agitates the carpet, just like shampooing your hair, right? We agitate with our fingers. It's a very important step once we put that solution in the carpet. And then you take your home extractor, be it whatever brand, Rug Doctor, Hoover, etc., and just fill it with beautiful, hot, clean water. Do not put any solutions in your solution chamber. Just hot, clean water, and extract that Proyon treated dirt. That dirt is going to have it's going to ease the surface tension between the particulate matter and other soils on your carpet fibers, and it's going to rinse out beautifully, and you're going to end up with nothing but dark, dirty water that was in your carpet, all that dirt that was in your carpet, in your reservoir, and you can dump it out and get rid of it. So that is what you need to do for your carpets. Vacuum properly, take off your shoes so you track less dirt in the house. Pre-spray with one of our wonderful solutions, agitate, and rinse. Do not put too much water in your carpet. And if you do find that you've put in a lot of water in, make sure to place a fan or keep air moving through your carpet so that it dries quickly. We want that carpet dry in 6 to 8 hours so you don't face any sort of mildew problems. Okay, I think that's my spring cleaning dump. It was a little longer than I intended. I also want to share something with you, as I tend to like to do, something I heard that was great this week about doing things right the first time. I think you're going to like this. There's never enough money, it seems, to do things right, but there's always enough money to do things over. So let's keep that in mind. Let's spend the time, effort, and sometimes money to do things right the first time. I hope you're all out there getting ready for a wonderful, wonderful summer. All of us at Soap Free Procyon wish you happiness, health, and success. Until next time, it's JP from Procyon. So long.